about to enter the Star Wars weekend, the first weekend of May. May 2nd, 2025. CN Hayes here. Good afternoon to you. 1452 coming to you from West Ladysmith. Lonely Canadian National Parents Main at milepost 3. Parents Main at milepost 128.8 with the video lined up for you. Northbound sandloads rolling out. I have a feeling this could be the S775 81 of the second. And in the lead today was none other than the MEI rebuild of the 3125. Previously GECX 2036. Doing the honors today for the northbound trip. There is another Tier 4 GEVO that is rear DPU on that. So we'll check them out on the roll as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Former Mopac hopper in there, now under the reporting warrant of AEX. Surprised to see that one in there. Today's 519.81 of the second should be behind this. The Solo SD60 Ely 5437 at it again. They have new authority out from milepost 110 to milepost 126 since the S775 has released theirs from milepost 110 to milepost 126. Last of it with the rear DPU is almost here. CN 3125 North entering Superior Sub-Main, North Ladysmith, no restrictions. There's last but now Wells Fargo 406054, and it's the 3140 again. Decided to show up once more. And that was the unit that was responsible for leading on the westbound power move earlier today. The total axle was 420 for this northbound sandload. So that'll do it for today's 775.81 of the second. So that will head on up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada via CPKC. Since starting at Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. And we'll do it for the MEI rebuild of ET44AC at 3125, previously GECX 2036, and the rear DPU of the 3140. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to begin the Star Wars weekend. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time. I hope I will see you along the MEI line. See you and haze out.